friends, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, welcome! Today's video is Extreme Linen Closet Organization / Makeover. We moved into this house about 5 years ago and I never really organized my linen closet. So today is the day for that. I am so happy and satisfied how it turned out. If you wanna see it, keep watching. Let's do this, friends! As you see, there is no organization happening whatsoever. I do still fold my blankets and my pillowcases and my sheets, but after I fold them, I just throw everything in here and stuff them, and yeah, this is how it turned out. So today we are gonna organize that. I love using baskets for organization or storage, so I got the big ones from Target and the small ones are either from Walmart or Hobby Lobby. I also got a few of these vacuum sealed bags from Walmart, and I am planning to use them for my bigger comforters. Now I'm just taking everything out. I always like to start with a clean slate. And oh my god, friends, I did found my lint roller that I have been looking for like a year now. I got it from Amazon. It's a pack of like 5, and I've been looking for it all over my house and I can't find it. I could have swear to god I looked inside here but did not find it. Although I did find it today under the other blankets, so I am so happy about that. Under here, everything that I found that is trash, I am directly putting that in the trash bag that I hang here on my stairs. And then after that, I'm just gonna go vacuum here and wipe this with my Dyson multi-purpose cleaner. If this is your first time visiting my channel, hello and welcome! I am so glad you're here. My name is Selle. I am a wife and a full-time working mommy to my 8 years old sweet boy. I hope you stick around and subscribe to my channel for tons of cleaning motivation and lots of home organization. I would love to have you and be a part of my YouTube family.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Every moment is another chance. Loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. 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 Ooh, smiling like that, I could never resist it. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. I need you.
I'm just pretending like I know how to fold fitted sheets because I really don't. They always turned out looking like a mess, so I'm just trying to make this look like it's actually folded and not so much of a mess. So yeah, if you don't know how to fold fitted sheets too, please leave me a comment down below because I wanted to know if I'm the only one struggling with this.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high, ain't nobody like you, I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you, I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high, ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
Like I said, I wanted to use these vacuum sealed bags for my bigger blankets and big comforters. Those ones that we don't really use on a regular basis.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time, I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah.
After all that folding, I am putting everything back now, and you'll see me move the baskets a lot because I'm trying to figure out which ones are going where and which one I use the most and put those on eye level.
Do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too.
So I decided to hang my plastic storage on the door using command strips. I am also gonna hang my sweeper map on the door using that hanging thing on the floor. I don't really know what it's called, but I'm gonna use that to hang my sweeper because I use this all the time to map my bathroom floors. Here on the floor are the flat sheets. I never really use them. I don't know why. I just don't like them. I only use the fitted sheets when I buy new sheets for the bed. So those are practically new. I never use them. If I did, maybe once or twice. So I think I can donate those. And then the rest that's on the other side are just gonna be trash.
Do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
Here is the after, guys. I am so happy how this turned out. It just looks so much cleaner and I feel like everything just fits here now, and when I try to grab something, nothing is gonna fall. So I am really happy with this. Please leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and if you like more organization videos like this. I hope you find this video motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to get up and tackle your own mess at home and get some ideas on how to organize your linen closet. Whether it is a small space, we can maximize the storage if you're smart about it. If you like and enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to a friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. If you wanna follow and connect with me, my Instagram account link is in the description box below. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you and I will see you all again on my next video. Bye!